Hi and welcome to Hand Embroidery. Up and down buttonhole stitch, also known as mirrored blanket stitch or mirrored buttonhole stitch. The up and down buttonhole stitch is a variation on regular buttonhole or blanket stitch. Up and down buttonhole creates a scalloped-looking line of a buttonhole stitches with two stitches tied together and locked down with a loop. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update. Portuguese Knotted Stem. The Portuguese Knotted Stem stitch is a great stitch for outlining, especially when you want a little heavier line with some texture to it. The stitch is made up of the stem stitch with little knots along the line. Basque Stitch, also known as Twisted Daisy Stitch. The Basque Stitch as a combination of twisted chain stitch and buttonhole stitch upside down. It's perfect for working with lines, curves, flowers, and borders. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update. Split stitch. To do a split stitch, you just move one stitch length forward, bring your needle back up in the middle of that stitch, and then move another stitch forward. When you are working on smaller curves, Be sure to shorten your stitch length to make the curves smoother. The Chevron Stitch. It's a simple zigzag look with a cap on each end of the zigzags, much like the Herringbone Stitch. Outline Stitch. The outline stitch is a lot like the stem stitch, only the position of the working thread is above the needle as you stitch. Herringbone Stitch. It's a nice decorative stitch to add to borders and can even be combined with a second row of herringbone stitches to make a double herringbone. With a second color of thread, this can produce some very pretty results. Stem Stitch. The noticeable difference between the outline stitch and the stem stitch is that the outline stitch forms a closer twist in the look of your line. Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update. Coral stitch, also known as German knot or snail trail. Coral stitch is a line stitch made up of knots. The knots created by the coral stitch can be spaced close together or far apart depending on what you want your line to look like. Chinese knot, also known as forbidden stitch or blind stitch. There are variations. The one I'm illustrating is the one worked in a line and it has a little bit of a tail to it. You can, of course, eliminate the tail and make a perfectly round knot stitch. You can also work the stitch in isolation and you can also leave the loop of the knot more open. If you like our video, hit the like button below and leave a comment. Thanks for watching our videos.